In this video, I'll show you how to learn a new language with Claude AI. This is a simple way to practice vocabulary, grammar, and conversation using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help me learn a language. For example, I might type, "Help me learn basic Spanish phrases for beginners." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a list of common phrases and explanations to help me start learning. If I want to practice conversations, I can ask Claude to role-play a conversation in the language I'm learning. For example, I might type, "Practice a simple conversation in Spanish with me." Claude can also help with translations, grammar explanations, vocabulary lists, and practice exercises. If I want to improve faster, I can ask Claude to create quizzes or daily practice exercises. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to help learn a new language. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.